Hello everyone, I thought I would just give a really quick update to how the Living Studio is getting on right now. I have just come back from a very productive meeting with a new business advisor. She is very good, very interested in working with the Living Studio. She has some fantastic advice, and things are just going to start moving very quickly from now on. Now she's involved, and also I just wanted to thank you all for your amazing support. I couldn't even have got this far without you, and from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank you and ask that you keep loving all the posts. Please keep sharing, talking about the Living Studio and what we're doing, and what we're going to be offering. And if you're on YouTube, please subscribe, because that will really help us get the word out there, and get people really involved and get this studio off the ground and really making a difference in people's lives. So thanks for the support, guys, and I will keep you posted with any other updates as they happen. Bye.